This is my first vlog. Say hi. She doesn't want to say hi because she's still busy, guys. So it's a little bit windy, but look who's here. It's Marissa and JJ. So this is the cooking barbecue. Right, Kuya JJ?
Yes.
Yeah, but you forgot to say master. You just look like Benjamin because you said you're the best. You're the best. Well, actually, something caught my eye. Why is this like this? I don't know why, guys. I don't know. I just don't know why.
Parang pagluto sa iya, mabilis.
Where is she going to take?
JJ, say hi to my vlog. JJ.
Hi, vlog!
Duwa lang nakatanganing mabilis.
Every day we got to keep on fighting. Every day the people are dying. Yeah. For hunger and salvation. Lamentation. But reading in Revelation. You find your redemption. And then you gave us the teachings of the majesty. But we don't want the devil philosophy. I am the give us the teachings of His Majesty. But we don't want the devil philosophy. Feel it in the one drop. And we still find time to rock. We're making the one stop.
Okay. Let's find JJ.
Okay na yan?
Yun na.
I need a butter cake.
Fighting against
Naglagay mo lang pala.
I know just never let us down. Will you right from wrong? I know just never let us down. Hello, vlog! Hello, vlog!
Excuse me, guys.
Again. Hello, vlog! We are cooking.
Actually, guys, Kuya
Barbecue?
JJ is he said he's the most master in the world. Well, I am. It's a little bit windy, but it's okay. Well, now.
The teachings of His Majesty. No devil philosophy. Can you hear?
Okay, well, now
His Majesty.
it's time to do something.
Philosophy. We feel it in the one drop.
It's time to do something.
We still got time to rock.
Like, do something else too. Look at my shadows here.
Let me tell you.
You can actually see my shadows. Wow, it looks like my ice power. Well, let's go a little bit further more. Hey.
Fighting for a war.
Well, guys,
But they know not the hour.
bye-bye right now.